Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I talk beauty, motherhood, health, lifestyle, a little bit of everything. And my name is Vera. Most times we talk how to clear pimples on our face, how to get rid of acne and rashes on our face, which is cure. But today we'll be talking about prevention. And remember, prevention is better than cure. I want you to know that the easiest way to prevent rashes and acne or spots on your face is using a clean makeup brush and sponge. Most times people don't wash their makeup brushes because they feel it takes a lot of time or so much is needed to get it clean, but that's not true. I'm going to show you the easiest and best way to do that. Trust me, 5 minutes you're done. So if you're interested, please keep watching, and also if you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button. So you guys, these are the brushes and sponge that we're going to wash today. This is my powder brush, the sponge, you see how dirty it is. Then the foundation brush, the contour brush, concealer brush, and my brow brush. Try to watch till the end to grab all the information you need to keep your face smooth. So the next thing that we're going to be needing is our water. You need the water in a bowl. Then you need your dish soap. Add as much as you need depending on the number of brushes and sponge that you're washing and also how dirty it is. Then you're going to need your baking soda. Same thing, just add as much as you need. We already know that baking soda is very good for deep cleaning. Then you also need your paper towel. You need it because the paper towel is going to absorb the dampness of the makeup brushes and also ensure that the brushes dry in a completely hygienic surface. Okay, and also you guys, this is very important. Try as much as possible to dip only the bristles inside the water. Don't let the handles touch the water because it will make it get weak and the bristles will start falling off. Okay, don't leave your brushes inside the water. Just dip, bring it out and rinse off. Just like that. Yeah, and this is my foundation brush. Of course, you know it will have a lot of product in it. So this one you will need to take time and wash it. You guys, just take a look at this sponge. You see how dirty it is? Watch how it's going to go from dirty to a new one. Like new one. I'm telling you. One good thing about this baking soda is that it does not just clean, it's going to kill the bacteria that has been built up in the makeup brushes or sponge. Especially if you're the type that don't wash always and you use them often but you don't wash for a long time, you definitely need this baking soda If not, you're going to start having rashes and spots on your face. And try as much as possible to even wash often. If you use them every day, try, even if it's 2 times in a month, that's cool. But if not, if you're like me, that use them just once in a while, I try to wash at least once every month. Yeah. You can see how neat they look. Change the water and wash the second time. This time you might not need to add soap, just the baking soda, unless it's still dirty. Then you will need to add a little soap, just little. So when I washed the foundation brush, as you can see, I found out that there's still product in it. I decided to use my brush cleaner just to make sure that everything is out and it's completely neat. So if your brushes are very dirty, you will definitely need this brush cleaner, because it will help to completely take the products out. That's it, you see it's neat now. The same thing with the rest. So guys, did you see that? See how neat it is. So the next thing will be to rinse it, change the water, get a new one and rinse. Then take the paper towel out, get a new one for drying. So I decided to rinse the sponge again because it's a little soapy. That's it. And we are done. So spread them and leave them to air dry. Okay, when you're done, put them in a brush holder, just anywhere that's very ventilated. Yeah, that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you learned something today. Please subscribe, like and share this video. Also show kindness anywhere you are, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.